So, if you sit here, you have here the pigs, and the owner of the pigs, the caretaker of the pigs, the mother of the owner of the pigs, which is also the mother, and the owner of the pigs. Hi! Be careful.
Hi!
Oh, kiss kayo na. They're so clean. I would like you to meet our Korean friend. This Jet Sung Kang and then Lily Su Ah. They're so pink.
Limang ko! Lili. Habang bata pa,
These are
sa
our
tangkalan.
Filipino pigs.
Sa damahan mo ang kabulan.
Come, follow me, Korean friend. Let's go.
Oh, mountain
Careful of the
climbing.
stones. You know, here in the Philippines, especially in Cebu, there are lots of stones like this. You won't see like this in Korea.
Wow!
Follow me, Korean friend. Okay, as you see there are boys playing basketball. They are called boys. In Korea, I don't know what they call them, but they are not like
Hongchi.
Oh, Hongchi. There you will see their Hongchi.
Kamera ni Jet. So there's a bahay kubo there?
Yeah, that's the Bahay Kubo. That's the house of a princess here in the Philippines. So in
Like
Korea,
April?
Yes, April lives there actually. Hi, April. So this is in Cebu. This is what we call well. Can you focus the camera and see how deep it is? There.
Wow! Omo! It's doon na sana. It's so deep!
That is only how deep the well. Yeah. That's
Wow.